Hello everyone, I am Samar Chauhan, and in this video I will demonstrate you Ontoseer and Protege plugin which is developed by Cracker Lab at IIIT Delhi. And Ontoseer can be used for assisting and developing ontologies in the Protege. And for the simplicity of this video, I have already made an OWL file with some classes and objects. And if you don't see the Ontoseer tab in your Protege, then you can just go to the Windows and then tab and then search for the Ontoseer. Ontoseer mainly have 5 features, which are ODP recommendation, second exam recommendation, third class naming and property naming recommendation, fourth vocabulary recommendation, and fifth class hierarchy validation. And if you want to know a little more about the option, then you can just hover over the buttons like this and get the information about the option. Now we will go through each of the functions one by one. So first we will see the ODP recommendation. See, as you can here see that we have 3 options for entering the description, domain, and the competency question. And if you want to know a little more about the option, then you can just hover over the labels like this and get a little more information about the label. And if you want to enter any description, then you have to enter keywords like I will give you example of college and teacher. So like for the description I will write college, teacher, and in the competency question I will also write the teacher. And then you will get the ODP recommendation based on the input that is given by you. Now we will see the exam recommendation. So from the drop down, you can just select the class and properties which are present in the ontologies that open in the Protege at the current time. So here we have some examples like teacher, school, teaching, non-teaching, and I will just click on the school. So as you can see that school is a subclass of building and it is recommended by the option. See naming recommendation, which is consist of class and property naming. So first we will see the class naming recommendation. So here you will have to select the class which are just present in the drop down menus. So for example I will select school. So school, maybe student, like non-teaching, as you can see that it is given in the camel convention. For other you can see like teacher and etc. And then similarly for the property name recommendation, from the drop down you just have to select the property name like the roll number, maybe for example, and let's explore the vocabulary recommendation option. And in this from the drop down you just have to select the property or a class name which is present in the ontology. For example, I will select school. So this recommendation will give us 2 vocabularies like fall and AISO with their IRIs. See the class hierarchy validation option. And in this you just have to give information about the superclass Cs or the subclass cease to exist in the future. So, and if you want to know more about the option, then you can just hover over the labels to get more information. And for the demonstration purpose, I will just write Yes, yes, no. And for the input given, it shows us that the rigidity is maintained, but the identity and unity is not maintained due to the reason which are given, like subclass hierarchy is not correct. Ontoseer is a beginner-friendly plugin and also can help the expert ontology developer in their ontology creation. And to download the ontology, you can just go to our GitHub website, and from that you can download using two options. First is the source code, where you have to compile the source code and get the jar file, or you can just directly download the jar file. I hope you like the video and also the plugin. Thanks for your time.